What's up, YouTube? Today is the 11th of February 2009. Looking at market direction. Stock futures move higher. Stock futures point to moderately higher open. I guess due to yesterday's drop in the Dow, which I missed. And I looked back at the charts and they look like some good shorts, good short plays occurred there. So built up my watch list. Now it's 9:25. Be back in about 5 minutes with the market open. Okay, markets just opened up here. And looking to short the research in motion. Just went short at 50.11. I believe it's got room to. I'm looking at the weekly chart. Looks like it got room to 42. So be back to update. Let's see what happens. Gonna need to let it wiggle. Meanwhile, I'm letting research in motion wiggle. Just looking to short Toll Brothers. Just wanted to get a better price in the short. Alright, just went short at 1784. This might take a while to drop, so be back to update. Alright, bought back on research in motion. Just moving too fast for me to get it on tape. So I got out at 49.95, profit of 160. And looks like the buyers are there when it goes into the 49s. Looks like we're not going to see what I expected to get down into the 42s. Still in this Toll Brothers, and only down 2 cents on it. So I'm still gonna hold on and see what happens. You know what? I'm gonna buy into this research in motion. Just looking at the level 1 time and sales. I just took it long at 50.05. It's already gone down. Toll Brothers pretty much went against me, so I'm gonna buy back, take a loser, and research in motion. I don't really do this. It's went against me, but I'm gonna buy another 1,000 down here. Double my position. So now I have 2,000 in rim. And pretty much I'm looking at the weekly chart, and it's got down to the 10-day moving average on the weekly. So from here I think it's gonna bounce higher. So that's what I'm looking at, and be back to update. They hit a long on First Solar. I'm at 146.91, and be back to update. So the next candle's coming up. Alright, First Solar's starting to work for me now. It's making a nice move. There's not much volume in this these last 2 candles, so gotta be careful. This could come back down easily. The next candle's up. Let's see what the markets do here. Yeah, right back down. Well, I'll let it wiggle a little bit more. If anything, might just take a loser. Here we go. Starting to move, move a bit higher. Let's see if we can break through the 77 there. Just did that. Back down to 70s. Market's moving higher. I guess that's just a little bit of profit taken. Back over 70, 77. I just sold them right there at a 147.66. Couldn't sustain on 148, so just sold at the bid. Not the best fill there, as you can see. 750 on that play. Gonna take a long here on AOC. So I'm gonna have 40.61. It's one of my. This is a news play here. I believe this is an insurance company. So the volumes been pretty good. Kind of died down right here in the last 4 candles. So let's see what we could get out of this. Gonna let it wiggle. I think the volume will come back in a bit if we get a market move. I think we're looking like we're gonna get a market move up. That's what it looks like to me. But this market's pretty crazy today, so let's see what happens. I just sold short on First Solar. I believe it's gonna pull back some. So I got an ad 147.60. That's where the ask is right now. Let's see another little tick down on the ask. I'm gonna get out. All right, just covered there at 147.33. It's a profit of $270. Alright, gonna buy some First Solar. Just gonna add 147.60, and might just close out AOC here. See if we can get another penny. Alright, just close it out at 40.71. So took $100 profit there. I'm gonna go short here on SNY. I think it's gonna get a pullback, probably to the moving average line, 10-day. If we get a market move down, be back to update this one. And short at 30.39. Gonna get out like at 30.32. Alright, gonna just cover. Took a flat on SNY, so I didn't lose nothing. Didn't gain anything either. I'm looking to maybe close out First Solar. I'm up about 180 bucks. Alright, just got out there. Only took $60. That's it. Looking at the next candle though, might get through this consolidation area, but I need a market move up. Alright, going long. Got in at 148 even. Looks like we're gonna get up there. Alright, got a nice pop there. Maybe gonna sell. Okay, sold at 148.44. So it's a $440 profit. No. You know what? Gonna buy. Just bought some at 22.39. Alright, just got out I took a loser at 22:37